Hey guys, in today's video, let's learn about conditional statements of C programming language. In C programming language, there are four conditional statements. They are if statement, if else statement, else if statement, and nested if else ladder. Let's learn about each one of these in a detailed way. If else statement. If statement, the syntax of if statement is if of condition statement. So let me explain this. So if this condition, if the condition, any condition will be given here, if the condition is true, then this statement will be executed. So that is if statement. Next, let's go with if-else statement. The syntax of if-else statement is if of condition, the condition will be given here. If the condition is true, then the statement 1 will be executed, or else the statement 2 will be executed. So that is if-else statement. Next is else-if statement. So the syntax of else if statement is, so here else if statement is nothing but if there are many conditions, if there are many conditions to be checked, at that time we will use the else if statement. That is, if of condition, statement 1 will be executed, or else statement 2 will be executed, or else statement 3 will be executed. So next comes nested if else ladder. So it is the ladder, or it is the continuous if else condition. So suppose if of condition, if this is true, statement 1 will be executed, or else statement 2 will be executed, or else it checks for the condition for where it will be true, then that statement will be executed. So these are the conditional statements of C. I hope you all understood. If any doubts or if any queries, please drop it down in the comment box. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video with next interesting topics.